So you guys just got your 3D printer and need 5 easy tips for the beginners. This is going to save you time, filament, and a bunch of frustration down the road. So this is Layer Academy, where we turn ideas into 3D prints. If you're just starting out, this video is exactly what you need. Let's count down from 5 to the most important. So coming in at number 5, use Maker World. Find easy prints on there. Don't try to just jump into starting it from scratch. You can get really good easy prints on there. That code's already there and everything like that. And there is a tip: if you're trying to start a business, look down to the right and it will show you if you can sell it or not, if it's already licensed. If it doesn't say anything, I think you can just sell it, so don't quote me on it, but I'm pretty sure. Number 4, use some type of adhesive or glue. So I recommend using Elmer's glue. This is what works best for me on the table. Works perfectly fine. If you need some different adhesive, you can try that as well. But it's for your prints to stick to the actual bed of the 3D printer. I was having issues at first where it would just slide off and be stringy and all that. Just don't overdo it. Just needs a small little layer. If you have a lot, I recommend also cleaning it. I run it underneath hot water, then put some alcohol in there, and I've had a problem since. And number 3, watch your temps. That's your hot end, and that's the bed temps. I like to keep mine at 215. You can figure out what works best for you. I don't recommend going over that. You'll start seeing like little melts and burning pieces, at least on my 3D printer. I don't know about you or what 3D printer you got. I got the Anycubic Cobra, like the very first one that ever came out. It's about 3 years old, but I love this printer. Dial that in early because it's going to save you time in the end. Number 2, supports. I've been still learning those. I'm still going through them, and I think I figured out the best way of doing that. And I like keeping it at 15 from the X and Y axis, and also have them hollow. I'll pop that up on the screen where you can see what I'm doing right there to keep them like that. Change it to 0.15 on X and Y and the top Z axis right there. Number 1, the most important thing is filament. You're going to have to get some pretty good filament. I don't recommend getting the cheapest, even though it might work for you, but I recommend somewhere in the middle, from high end to cheap. The filament that I'm using is from Hobby Lobby. It's pretty good and my prints come out pretty clean with that. Haven't had no issues so far. So I do recommend that. So guys, if you're serious about leveling up your 3D printing game, make sure to lock in these 5 steps. Hit that subscribe button for more content on Blender, 3D printing, and building your own creations. And remember, we don't just print, we layer up. But thank you guys, hit the subscribe button and enjoy printing.